Setting up to start things off with the old school slap wheeling. Or is he going to get that new generation of forward popper? Gets the popper!
He got it! Standing on two wheels.
Now walking the dog. Waiting as he moves those steering cylinders.
Look at the balance on that monster truck. The front ramp.
Mikey Barnes Jr. was the first one I ever saw do that. Tim Hall made it look easy. Do you want more? Hit number one for Tim Hall Jr. What will he do on his second hit here with this trick off? Does he go for another forward popper? Is he trying to lead out a slap wheeler?
That's going to be the run for Tim Hall Jr. Jurassic attack.
Little bit of a new generation of driving with a forward popper. Old generation of driving with a slap wheeler.
Or maybe not. Here we go.